that'll just get wasted and sat on. Hopefully you can get this one in. Just put anywhere. Oh my God. I'm just having him drop it anywhere just to get it in here. That's fine. Just so we can get out and not get stuck. Oh, I'm an effing tree. Luckily, they're staying in right now. Hey, stop, stop. Pony, stay. Stay there. Usually we're having to fight everybody from coming out the gate. Hold on. Hold on. Get back. All right. That's fine. So that's an additional headache because they all get on the wrong side of the fence. Oh my God. There we go. Whoa. Get out of the way. Almost done, Kev. Almost. Home stretch. I gotta close this. Go. I can't close it now. Grandma, come. This is how this is. So you can only get like about 15, 20 feet before it shuts off. So a job that should take 10 minutes takes an hour.
If you want to use it later, you can clean the fuel bowl filter.
Okay. Okay, we made it. Normally we're having to fight off animals here, but since the cows are ahead, hey, it wasn't a big deal.